Hello, welcome back to Food and Nutrition Experts channel, where we unwrap the secrets of everyday foods, turning your kitchen into a natural pharmacy. Today, we are cracking open one of the nature's treasures, the coconut, the fruit that feeds, heals, and energizes. So don't blink, don't scroll, because by the end of this, you will never look at coconut the same again. Number one of health benefits of eating coconut every day. Number one, it boosts energy levels. Coconut is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, a special kind of healthy fat that your body quickly converts into energy. This helps you stay active, alert, and focused throughout the day. Number two, coconut supports heart health. Coconut contains lauric acid, which can help raise high-density lipoprotein, that's HDL, also known as the good cholesterol. HDL helps remove bad fats from the blood, improving heart function when coconut is eaten in moderation. Number three, coconut improves digestion. Eating coconut improves digestion. Coconut meat, the white part, is high in dietary fiber, which helps with smooth digestion, prevents constipation, and promotes a healthy gut. Number four, eating coconut helps to strengthen the immune system. Coconut contains antiviral and antibacterial and antifungal properties, mainly from compounds like lauric acid and monolaurin. These help the body fight infections and build a strong immune system. Number five, eating coconut helps to hydrate the body. Coconut water is packed with electrolytes such as potassium, sodium, magnesium, and calcium. It helps replace fluids lost through sweat and keeps your body well hydrated, especially in hot weather or after exercise. Number six, eating coconut helps to support weight management. The medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, in coconut can boost metabolism and increase feelings of fullness. This helps you eat less and burn fat more efficiently. Number seven, eating coconut improves brain function. Coconut oil provides quick energy to the brain. The MCTs in it may help improve mental focus, memory, and support brain health. Number eight, eating coconut every day helps to promote healthy skin and hair. Coconut oil is rich in antioxidants and natural moisturizers. It softens dry skin, reduces wrinkles, repairs damaged hair, and adds shine and strength. This one, when it's applied on the body and on the hair. All right. Health benefits of coconut. Balances blood sugar. Coconut has a low glycemic index, GI, meaning it doesn't cause a quick rise in blood sugar levels. It also helps regulate insulin, which is good for people with diabetes or insulin resistance. Number 10, health benefits of coconut. It supports bone and teeth health. Coconut contains calcium, magnesium, and manganese, minerals that strengthen bones and teeth, helping to prevent weakness and decay. Number 11, coconuts. Health benefits of coconuts. It reduces inflammation. Coconut oil has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce pain, swelling, and protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. All right. In summary, eating coconut daily, whether as coconut water, fresh milk, or oil, can help you boost your energy naturally. It can help you improve heart and brain health. It can strengthen immunity. It maintains healthy skin and hair. It balances your sugar levels and keep your whole body strong and active. If you learned something today, don't just keep it, share it, hit that like button, subscribe, and join me again here on Food and Nutrition Experts, where we make food your medicine and health your lifestyle. See you in the next video.